Hey, let me ask you something real. Have you ever booted up a game and felt that tiny bit of frustration when it should be smooth, but it just isn't? That exact feeling is what pushed me into the CLX set. This is for the gamer who expects smooth performance, who notices when a rig hesitates under load, who knows the difference between okay and effortless. If you're that kind of person, go check the current price and stock now, because powerful builds like this rarely stick around at stable pricing. You know you were ready for a serious upgrade when your old desktop started sounding like it was working overtime just to keep up. Mine began freezing in heavy scenes, load screens stretched longer than the action itself, and settings were always on compromise mode. That nagging pause in the flow of play, that's the moment you realize your gear isn't keeping up with you. The moment I fired up the CLX set, the difference hit immediately. It wasn't just faster, it was confident. Games loaded instantly. Scenes unfolded without hesitation, and every benchmark felt like a promise kept. When you feel that shift, going back becomes something you resist almost instinctively. In everyday use, this thing doesn't just run games, it keeps pace with your ambitions. Competitive rounds feel snappy and responsive. Open-world titles load without those long stutters. Even creative tasks like editing clips or managing large files feel natural, like your machine just gets it. You stop watching progress bars and start living in your content instead of waiting for it. And it's not only performance that stands out. The way everything stays composed under pressure, from temperature to frame pacing, gives you this quiet confidence. You're not holding your breath when the action spikes. You're leaning in because you trust the system to deliver. Right now, take a minute to see where pricing and availability are, because builds with this balance of power and stability don't stay steady for long. If you've been circling this decision, that gentle hesitation in your mind is exactly the sign you've outgrown compromise. You might think a high-end build like this is just overkill or that cheaper alternatives will suffice. That's where most people get stuck. They focus on the number on the box instead of the experience. Specs matter, yes, but what truly changes your day-to-day is how everything feels when you're actually using it. This desktop doesn't just run titles at higher settings. It lets you forget you're even thinking about hardware because nothing stops you mid-flow. One surprise I didn't expect was how much calmer everything feels overall. I used to tweak settings mid-session just to keep things smooth. With this setup, I barely think about adjustments because it adapts seamlessly. That ease becomes part of how you play, work, and create. Owning the CLX set gives you a different sense of readiness. It's not loud, flashy, or unstable. It's steady, strong, and reliable. You don't find yourself apologizing for your setup or explaining why it's struggling. You just do what you came to do: game, stream, create, immerse, without the friction that used to slow you down. Performance that feels fluid and assured, load times that feel like nothing at all, multitasking without hesitation or pause, your favorite titles running without doubt, your setup finally matching your ambition. It's not the lightest or cheapest option you'll find, and there's a bit of visual footprint to it. But those small concerns dissolve once you live with the way everything simply works. At some point, the loop of comparing and hesitating stops, and you choose what actually feels right. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep postponing, only to regret it every time your old rig falters again. Check the current price and availability now, decide with confidence, and step into the kind of performance that doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them.